Hey animal lovers, did you know that foxes are some of the most intelligent animals on the planet? They're not just sneaky, they're downright genius. Foxes have long been known for their cunning behavior. From fairy tales to folklore, they're often depicted as the clever tricksters of the animal kingdom. But beyond their reputation, there's so much more to their intelligence and adaptability. Many people think of foxes as nuisances or even pests. Their clever nature has led to admiration, but also fear and misunderstanding. Some see their cunning as a threat, especially when they outsmart humans at every turn. But what if I told you that this cunning is a sign of their remarkable intelligence? Let's dive into some mind-blowing facts about foxes that showcase just how brilliant they really are. Foxes are masters of adaptation. They can thrive in almost any environment, from dense forests and grasslands to urban cities. This adaptability is a testament to their intelligence. They use a variety of hunting techniques to catch their prey, from pouncing and digging to using stealth and patience. And get this, some foxes have even been observed using tools to aid in their hunting. In their social interactions, foxes are equally impressive. They communicate using a complex system of vocalizations, body language, and even scent marking. Their social structures are intricate, with family units often working together to ensure the survival of their young. This cooperation and communication are clear indicators of their high level of intelligence. Now here's a story that truly encapsulates the cunning nature of foxes. There was a fox in England known for stealing shoes from people's doorsteps. Not just any shoes, though. He seemed to have a preference for leather ones. This fox would meticulously select and stash the shoes in a hidden spot in the forest, baffling the local community. When the stash was finally discovered, it was clear that this fox had an extraordinary ability to plan and execute his little heist, showing not only intelligence but a quirky personality too. In summary, foxes are much more than the sly tricksters we often think of them as. Their intelligence and adaptability are truly remarkable, and they play a vital role in their ecosystems. So next time you see a fox, remember that there's a lot more going on behind those sharp eyes than meets the eye. What do you think about the intelligence of foxes? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other video on the incredible intelligence of animals. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.